In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install AppLock Pro app from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you are facing or encountering any challenge while trying to install this app, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix. First, you need to go back to your Google Play Store, and first, make sure you are logged in with your Gmail before you download and install this app. However, if you had already logged in, then go to Profile Image here and go to Settings, then Network Preferences, and under this, choose App Download Preference. Here, choose this first option over any network. Tap on OK to save the changes. So this will fix this if the problem was with your network issue. However, if you didn't have any issue with your network, then the problem might be with Google Play Store app itself. For that, we need to access Google Play Store app info page, and you can do this by going to Settings and then look for apps, and here you should see all your apps. If you don't see your apps, look for Manage Apps or All Apps option. Tap on it, and here search for Play Store. Here it is. We are on Play Store app info page. First, go to Force Stop to stop any background activities that might be causing the issue. Then go to Clear Data and then Clear Cache, and finally OK. At this point, you will need to restart your smartphone, and once you have restarted your phone, go to Play Store. And here, activate search and search your app by name. And as you can see, here is our app. I'll tap on it. And now we have an option to install the app. Let's see if we can install. And now look at that. I'm now able to download and install this AppLock Pro app on my smartphone. However, at this point, if you still encounter any challenge, more especially the space issue, if you don't have enough storage, you'll need to clear up space by deleting unused apps and media files such as photos and videos from your smartphone to free up and create more space. So that's how you can fix can't install AppLock Pro app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.